Surprise, motherfucker.
Hello, welcome back in Atomic Heart. It's the second episode. We ended by crashing here,
Whatever's going on clearly started a while
grabbing our axe.
Petrov is the reason. He's a traitor who hacked into Collective's central hub and caused the civilian robots to attack facility employees. Petrov has the access codes for the hub.
Nope, no loot.
Mission is to find him.
Also here, no loot.
Bring him to me. Alive.
Copy that, sir.
It's
Target is Victor Petrov. My
I
mission is
just
to
killed
find him
2 chickens and I can't take therefore meat. It's a protein. Protein. Muscles must grow. Remember to eat a lot of protein if you want to grow your muscles. Okay, here I see a robot. Oh, there's more of them.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
And here blocking. Can I block with... Okay, no, I probably... Ah!
Lights out.
Ah, easy, easy. Okay, I picked something from him. Materials, okay. Okay, he hit me. Can I pick materials from him too? No, not from everyone. From you? No. Do we have something here? I don't see. Those are chickens. Okay, let's go. Bet that I can't block just with this axe. I must make roars, like in Dark Souls.
Shit. Hey, Glove.
Yes, Major.
Any details on the target?
Victor Petrov is the lead engineer behind Collective 2.0.
Was it
He was arrested
a
for
giant
refusing to
worm
community service at the Vavilov complex.
or a drilling machine?
That. Where should I start looking?
Petrov is currently
Oh.
somewhere in the underground levels of the Vavilov complex. We'll have
Can I
to
pick a
find
loot from you? Oh,
Okay, let's do it.
of course, me playing and... Oh, it's attacking me!
You alive in there?
Okay,
Somebody help me!
I'm leaving them alone. Okay, who we have here to help?
Get me out of
What?
here!
Here? Here. Look. Oh, it's a robot. Probably it's a trap. Or someone is under...
Shit! Get away from me!
What is... Not in the lavatory.
Go!
Man, you had axe. Can't you use your wire to just break it through? Okay, now we can see how they are made. In the face?
What are you gawking at?
Grandma?
Almost choked to death there.
Granny.
Give me your hand.
Oh, I didn't see that coming.
You should be more careful. This place is a damn madhouse.
Yeah, I noticed. Thanks for the help,
No
ma'am.
sweat, Sonny.
I just
What are you
got
doing here
rescued by
anyway?
Granny.
We're just passing through. Who are you?
Me? Xena. Granny Xena. That's all you need to know.
Fine.
He
I
looks
get it.
like a badass.
So what's going on here? Lots of casualties.
I don't know if you noticed, but the robots are attacking people. Anyone who couldn't find a place to hide is dead meat.
I could really use a weapon. You got anything?
She has a pitchfork and you are asking her about weapon.
Of course. But I'm not giving you shit. Beneath us is a complex. If you need a weapon, go down there.
The Vavilov complex? That's where I'm headed.
Well, today's your lucky day. I'm heading that way too. It's basically safe.
Basically.
Shit! It's a chilla!
Son of a bitch. We've got 30 seconds. Move your ass!
30 seconds until what?
30 seconds until we're fucked, sonny boy. Royally fucked. Get over here, beefcake! Now, now! Take this key and turn it clockwise. I said clockwise, idiot! Yeah, like that. I'll hold them off for now.
You got a hell of an arsenal there, lady. What are you planning?
Here we go.
You have the weapon! Can't you just give it to me?
2 days now.
Uh,
Take that.
Granny?
Eat shit and die.
Okay, she's more epic than I thought.
Shit.
Granny, hide maybe.
To Granny.
Where'd you get that thing?
No
Give it to
way.
me.
You hang on to that key. I got this.
But she took every action from me. For 15 seconds, she became a main character.
Holy shit!
And my role is just to hold the key. And again elevators. Okay, I have seen a loading sequence. Okay, and we are blocked. How much on the earth we are? Oh, of course. Yeah, sure.
What a goddamn clusterfuck.
Sure, and you just throw it. Why? Okay, we can see how much floor we've filled. Okay, it's a little dark for me in my suit. Okay, I can check everything with this. I picked materials from this books from the shelves. Okay.
We need to find a way to open this armored door.
Right.
Okay. Got some more materials. Feel nothing. What this thing is?
Welcome to the Vavilov complex.
It's nothing interesting. I can do anything with it. Despite of someone is talking from the other side of the door. Can I jump here? Nope, I must go here. Probably it's so not better. Not here. They can hear you. So, wait, I don't understand. The robot attack happened before? Like, here is no people. Someone didn't make this note in a second. It had to be longer here. Okay, I got a valve, so I can put it here. Yeah. So I can open the door. Where is our granny?
Hang on, buddy. Hang on.
She was safe all the time, but just when we opened the door, probably because of the sound, something held us and grabbed him and, well, Alt X. Here, oh, I have a weapon, but I don't have ammo. Okay. So this is this type of game where I must check every round before shooting. Why he is frozen in the air?
And the machine.
Okay, so I have the...
May I give you some advice?
I'm
Oh,
kind of busy right
did
now.
I just died? Okay, now I died. First death. Ah, easy, easy. And he's coming from here.
And the machines rose from the ashes.
Yeah, I know it. Let's just bring him to... Is he died? Oh no, he's here. Well, he was strong.
May I give you some advice?
I'm kind of busy right now.
Try to avoid the robot's more powerful attacks.
They're all powerful.
Attacks performed by a robot during a power surge are especially dangerous and may knock you down.
Shingo, why didn't
Yeah,
you tell me
I
that before?
think it that I can take.
It wouldn't hurt to collect other resources you find along the way, Major. May I remind you that
Ah,
your
I can-
gear includes
okay,
a special
just
yellow
take-
Abalakov backpack.
take
Storing
this,
items and equipment.
and now I'm
Utilizes
collecting
quantum
everything.
singularity
Okay.
to shrink items placed
Tum,
within
tum,
it,
tum, tum, tum,
then
tum.
restores them to their original size upon extraction.
Okay, it's a watch. Okay, we've got it. Okay, okay. It's everything. It's so dark here. I don't see too much. I have a flashlight? No. Maybe not for now. Can I open this door? Nope. Oh. How many? How many? How many? I see two of them. Okay, and again I died. Press X to get revenge.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh! Okay, here you are. Okay, he hit me. There are two of them. I have problem to kill one of them, and now I have to face two. Okay, one is down. And for you. Go to fabric. Oh, okay. I can heal myself. Probably medkits are a very important thing here, and I will need a lot of them.
Damn it, why is everything locked here?
Emergency mode was activated as soon as the robots began attacking humans. Facility 3826 is on lockdown. That includes the inner sector.
So how am I supposed to open this door?
It's locked with an electromagnetic lock.
So I need to fry it with an electromagnetic pulse. How the
I
hell?
don't understand the idea in games that buildings are locked down during breakdowns like this.
Should be somewhere on facility grounds.
Okay, I'll deal with it.
We prioritize human life than everything. So locking down a sector is probably the worst idea someone could made
Oh shit!
by projecting a building. What is this? is this giant worm I've seen before? And we are dead. Wow.
Get up, soldier.
Oh,
Just a little
who
more.
are you?
You okay?
I'm fine.
How many fingers?
4.
Great, now get up. I need your help.
I have seen 5, but 1 folded.
Who are they?
They brought you here. Put pressure on this wound. They tried to save you.
And who are you?
Doctor,
You got a name?
no time for small talk.
God damn.
Forceps. Forceps, forceps, forceps!
I'm on it.
Get me them!
What's this doing here?
What took you so long?
You got a neuropolymer capsule.
We don't need one.
Ugh. So what's your name, Doc?
Larissa, and you ask a lot of questions.
You know what? You're on your own. You got this.
Where are you going? It's useless. We don't have the equipment.
I've got the equipment. Great. Now we're getting
How
somewhere.
did you do that?
You ask a lot of questions. Get out! Larissa!
Wow, he has a laser. And of course he killed
Avoid the beam!
everything there, but saved me. Okay. Oh. Let's recover the card. Okay. I can't toggle on him. Okay. First, try with a failure. Oh, there's an animation that I died from him. Funny. Of course. I haven't dodged. Ah, easy. Oh, later. See you later. I think you. Oh, okay. I died. Get me in the corner. I can see him. Okay, that's it. Probably. Yeah.
Terminated. Charles.
Oh, finally.
Crawled into go.
It's hard to say. The ventilation system contains a large number of branching ducts.
Okay, definitely I need a lot of medkits in this game.
What's that freaky
But
thing?
finally I see a challenge in gaming.
Then open it already.
In my
Come on,
street.
we're in a hurry.
I'm unable to assist you. I lack any kind of lock-picking functionality. You'll have to find your own method for picking locks. I'm sure you're smart enough.
Yeah, right. In other words, you're basically useless, as always.
Try snapping your fingers at the exact moment the locking pin light goes
Okay, it was easy.
It worked.
At least this one. Okay, I can go through it. Who is? Okay, it's probably the music. I can't hear from where comes the sound.
A lullaby? I don't like this.
Wait, does that happen? No.
What's on the other side of the door?
That's Nora's voice. She's
interesting.
very dangerous.
Making animation of cutting people shows that probably I will be able to fight humans too. Is this a safe room? Probably yes. Okay. Shotgun shells. Okay.
Saving data.
Game saved. Okay, so here I can save game? Like in old movies. Old games. What?
Oh, what a stunning.
Oh yeah, this is that fridge I heard about.
Let's fly you to the bed, baby.
Oh,
Need to fight back, sugar.
sugar?
Don't let her bind your arms.
Can't you see I'm trying? Open to suggestions!
Bring me to her sensor manipulator, quick!
How titillating. Rebellious dominant men really turn me on.
Oh, I'll turn you on, all right. Just let me at you.
What a brute. Oh, I love tough guys. I'm on fire.
Closer!
I'm trying. She's one strong-ass bitch.
I'm at your service, sugar. Anything for my master? What can I do for you?
More skills will become available to you soon, but choose shock for now.
What I have just seen? Did the fridge just talk to me in better way than my girlfriend? Really? Wow! Okay, Jesus here. Can I pick
You were
this?
fortunate
Okay,
enough
this.
to acquire about 50 grams of neuropolymer.
You can
I
produce.
suggest exchanging this dose with lovely Nora for a new skill. You don't mind, do you?
Okay. Electric pulse, okay. Can I pick more? Oh, okay.
Oh, how can I resist? Now let me show you what I can do. Professionally,
Upgrade,
I
okay.
mean.
Yes, I want to upgrade my axe.
Crispy critters.
I am here to help you upgrade your red-hot pocket rockets. And believe me, handsome,
Round up,
you can upgrade
okay.
whatever tickles your fancy.
Weapons are useful. Open the
But
code.
I can do so much more. A quick romp with your axe is just a taste.
Hermetic shield. Oh, the shield sounds good. Sounds good with a weapon shield that protects you from and range damage. Okay. I definitely need this one. Okay. Have a video.
Violence is not the Soviet way.
Wow. That's a propaganda.
Kill all violent people. Kill them today.
But of course, violence no. But people who make violence, why not? For my hand. Okay. Okay. Here's how I can turn this. Oh, thanks everyone for watching. If you are still in this moment, you can write in comment Atomic Heart, so I can see that you go through this video with me. Thanks everyone for watching. Here are the list of my supporters, and see you next time. Bye!